Bless you. All right. We've officially crossed over into a new phase of crazy chicken lady. Or crazy turkey daddy, apparently. This is my husband's baby, Clue. She's a slate blue turkey. And right now we have the turkey pox. So we have officially got us a house turkey. And now we ordered her a diaper and a harness leash that's coming today. And I saw some bags for carrying your turkey. Well, for carrying your chickens. So, yeah, now I have a bird carrier. And I was like, well, might as well get the chicken saddles. So I have all of the bird dress up coming. I'm going to be dressing my birdies up like little dolls, apparently. Yep. We've crossed a line. Yep. We went there. Clue. Well, at least this made him finally get his bathroom clean-ish. Still work in progress, but we did it for the Clue. It's now her bedroom. Aren't you cute? What do you think of that other turkey? Yeah. She gets to, don't make it the same, run around, exercise a little bit, and practice her flight. And, man. Are you going to show them flying? Oh, you just got some more preening to do in front of your mirror. Bless you. Yeah, she's still sneezing a lot. We tried to put her back outside, but she was still sneezing, so we brought her back. And the other three turkeylets out there kind of got it, but they fought it off a lot better, so she was like half their size for some reason. It's a pretty girl. Bless you. Yesterday she had a little, well, day before yesterday is worst, but she has little sores, scabies that were on top of her eyes and like blocking her vision a little bit, but they've healed and aren't covering her eyes now, so that's good. But she's got that one big huge bump. I don't like that. But yeah, hopefully she'll get over it and we'll have us a good little turklet. Bless you. Her sneezing is like pew 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 pew, so I'm like, we got us a battle turkey. Pew 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 pew. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Can't wait for you to be all healthy and fluffy again. Like, I'm pretty, oh so pretty. Just don't look at my zits. That'll be up soon. I wanted to take her out again today, but it went and got cold on us. I looked at the thing this morning and it's saying freezing warning until such and such, and I'm like, what? It was 80 degrees yesterday. I was outside most of the day. I don't know what's going on with that, but it's really, really windy again, so that's probably it. Bless you. It doesn't feel that bad to me now, but for some reason it's all like freeze warning. It's gonna freeze tomorrow. And I'm scared. I got a lot of older chicks in the barn. It's just me hanging with my turklet. Mm-hmm. This is my life now. Let me go see if your harness came yet, girl. It's supposed to come today, but the other stuff isn't. Well, it's supposed to come today. They delayed the chicken things, apparently, so it'll be alright. Peace, love, and turkeys, y'all. Yeah. You're gonna grow up and be the queen of the backyard. Yeah.